Hi guys, welcome back to a new video on One Two Step. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Snapchat on your PC. Now, previously you could not use Snapchat on your desktops or your laptops. You would need to download the BlueStacks to be able to use it. But now Snapchat is also available on the web browser. So you can just open up a web browser and just search for snapchat.com. Once you search for it, you'll land on this interface. Now all you do is click on this login to chat. Now you just type in your email address or your username and your password, and then you can click on login. Now once you've been logged in, you'll see a similar interface. Just click on get started. And there you go. As you can see, you can now easily use Snapchat on your desktop. Now you can easily use Snapchat from your desktop. You can easily take snaps and then send it to other people as you normally do on the mobile version. Apart from that, you can also open up any chats and then type in any message that you want, or you can also send in photos or videos from your desktops. This is pretty much the same as using a mobile version of Snapchat. Now, if you want it on your desktop, what you can do is just click on the three dots on the top right, then hover over more tools where you'll have an option of create shortcut. Now once you do, you'll be able to add in this shortcut on your desktop. Name it whatever you want and click on create. Now if you head back, you'll be able to see that the Snapchat shortcut has been created. Now whenever you open the shortcut, it will directly take you to this website where you no longer need to type in Snapchat by opening up a web browser. So that's how easily you can use Snapchat on your PCs. If this video was helpful to you, then make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more of these videos, also make sure to turn on that notification of our channel. That's going to be all for today's video, and I'll be back with more.